Hello, I'm glad to welcome you on behalf of the Traders Union, the largest union of Forex traders in the world. Today, we will consider the best cryptocurrency exchanges.
In this video, we'll speak about Bitexen cryptocurrency exchange. Bitexen is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers spot trading in Bitcoin and altcoins. The Turkish lira is the only fiat fund. There are several deposit and withdrawal options, including bank transfers and crypto wallets. There is an opportunity to get a cashback thanks to the holding of the EXEN token, and rebates are also available through the Traders Union. The crypto exchange is focused on active trading, advisors and indicators are allowed, and there is API support. The platform has a low starting deposit, only 1 Turkish lira or equivalent in another asset. Advantages of trading with Bitexen: simple trading terminal, convenient mobile application, multi-level encryption for security. The activities of the exchange are regulated by government agencies. Disadvantages of Bitexen: there are no other fiat besides the Turkish lira. The platform does not offer investment programs, no demo accounts and solutions for novice traders. Commissions and fees. Base commission fees for trading operations at the platform are fixed. For a maker, the commission is 0.15%. For a taker, it's 0.25% of the trade amount. The commission is not affected by how long the client has been trading on the exchange. There are no trading levels or volume discounts. You can reduce the commission using bonuses in the form of rebates given by the Traders Union. However, the platform also has its own mechanism for reducing fees using the cashback system. Bitexen customers' reviews. Previously, I preferred to keep funds in a bank deposit, but then I realized that they just lie there as dead weight. Interest rates leave a lot to be desired lately. Alternatively, I decided to try my hand at cryptocurrency trading. The challenge fell on Bitexen, where an acquaintance worked. He described all the pros and cons of cooperation. There are no design flaws, only trifles like the lack of a demo and investment opportunities. But I found many advantages for myself, such as an excellent support team, a simple and convenient terminal, and a large pool of cryptocurrencies. Bitexen attracted me with its low entry threshold and simple registration. Looked at the reviews about this cryptocurrency exchange and found mostly praise. Among the advantages, traders note high security, multi-level encryption, cold storage, and good payment discipline. Now I understand that it was not in vain that they praised Bitexen. I do not regret that I registered and entrusted my funds here. I have earned about $5,000 on the platform, and there were no problems with withdrawals. The cooperation is good, and I will invest more here.
To learn more about best cryptocurrency exchanges, follow the link under the video and read the information on our webpage. If you're already on it, you'll find a lot of interesting and useful information that did not fit into this short video. Good luck.